Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're unboxing this Lancelot key set from Wuque Studios. First off, I want to give a thanks out to Wuque Studios for doing a giveaway on Reddit. I believe it was under Mechanical Keyboards, RMK, but it may have been Mech Market. They did a giveaway right when this group buy started, or either right before the group buy started, and I was the lucky winner that was selected to get the base kit. Let's take a quick look over here at the product page. By the way, it is Wuque Studios. If you've been calling it Wuque, or any other iteration, I promise you, you are not alone. I just learned this past week. Shouts out, thanks to a loud brother. You know who you are for letting me know. So, this was available in two different colors, or color schemes, I should say. There was the Lancelot Frontier, which is the pink and yellow. Well, it's two shades of pink and yellow. And then the Lancelot Sin, which is a white, yellow, and blue. There was 4 different kits for each one, 5 for the Sin kit. So I got the base one for free. I purchased the icons here, which were, $15. The numpad kit was $19, and the space bars were $13. The prices are no longer here on the site since it is sold out. I don't know if there will be extras available or not. I purchased this back on January 18th of last year, 2021, and it arrived the 14th of this year, so I've had it just under 2 weeks now. These were expected to be a quick turnaround time, which obviously that didn't happen, which today's group buy model and market, unfortunately, I think we're all pretty much used to delays. The Lancelot Frontier, which is the pink, all of those kits were 5-sided die subbed, whereas the Lancelot Sin was just a standard die sub. Believe, if I'm remembering correctly, that the Sin set was $10 less for the base set, and I honestly have no idea what the other add-ons were. So, without any further ado, let's pop into this box. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, I know I had this thing. All right, let's pop into here and see what we've got. I'm looking forward to this. You may know Geekark from their MT3 profile keycaps, but they do venture out into other profiles. There has been a Geekark black on white set that's been kind of popular lately, which has really nice cat novelties. So if you're into, and that's cat, the actual animal, not the profile. So if you're into cat stuff, maybe you can find that and check it out. The box appears to be pretty plain. We've got a tray for space bars, and then, oh no, wait. So we've got a tray here. I'm guessing these are the space bars that came with the base kit. Yes, because the base kit came with the light pink. So this would be the space bars kit here. This would be, what did they call it? They didn't call it novelties, the icons. And this will be the numpad kit. We'll pop into those in just a moment. From what I can tell, the die sub looks good. It's not like a lot of the Infinity sets that I've gotten lately where when you look at the sides, the color fades down. The color seems to go all the way through, which is a good thing. I can't tell if the plastic is pink to begin with or if they die subbed on the pink, but I think using the colored plastic definitely makes a better product in the long run of things there. So let's see what we've gotten here. So these tray here. So this is going to be arrows. It looks like it did come with a few novelties in the base kit as well, which I wonder if they gave me extras, because I don't see any of these being in the base kit, but they are shown in the novelties. No, so I guess these do come with the base kit, but for whatever reason I'm not seeing them here on their website in the pictures of the base kit. So if you did get the base kit, you may have well gotten a surprise of some novelties. Let's see. Ooh, wow, I've got to say, these have, if anybody used Polycap's Corn from Kinetic Labs, where it had a really cool, I really liked textured feeling, this one has that soft, like almost, don't know how to describe it, but it's like not a texture that you can see or feel, but it almost makes the plastic feel soft, and I just really like keycaps that are textured like that. Let's see how close in I can get, and we'll take a look here at these legends. All the legends look really good. Doesn't look like there's really any issues that I can tell as of right now. All the legending spacing looks even. I would say for an $80 base kit, this is definitely a quality base kit. I've been hearing some bad things about Geekark lately, about caps breaking on stems. Hopefully that won't be an issue with these. I won't know until I find something to mount them on. I don't do a lot of pink themed stuff, but I did go with the pink one. I wanted to go with the 5-sided die sub over the standard die sub. Let's see the space bars here. Well, I did have scissors here on the desk. There they are. So as far as the space bars here, okay, so on these you can see a bit of that color fade as it goes down, because these are not colored plastic, these are die subbed. Actually, that may have just been the light. It does not appear to be too faded, maybe a little faded towards the base part here. But that seems to be pretty standard on most die sub PBT sets I've seen. As far as warping, a little bit, but totally within what I would consider an acceptable tolerance level for space bars. I mean, the 7U doesn't really look like it's warped at all. I think it's moving a little just because I'm doing it on a desk mat. Or is that a 6 1/4? Oh, what have I got here? We got a 6 1/2. What did this thing include? 6 1/4 and a 7U. Okay, so these actually have very minimal warping for a PBT spacebar kit. So that's good. That's definitely a positive in my book. The novelties here. Slide these up so you can see them. So I'm not sure what these novelties really have to do with Lancelot much. I might need to do some research into what the inspiration was behind this. Probably something weave related. You've got a cat here, you've got some kind of symbol, little almost lightning bolt-esque type symbol, random symbol. You've got what looks like a rain cloud smiley face, you've got eyeglasses, you've got whatever the heck that thing is. Pizza, of course, everybody loves pizza. Just a bunch of random stuff that I really don't know the context on. The numpad kit here, let's see. So, the numpad kit appears to also have same quality as the others. I really like the ones that are actually pink colored plastic, because then you don't have to worry about that fading that you find on the sides of PBT that's been die subbed. It's really not bad though. In the little few instances where you can see it, it's not like a fade to white almost like it is with some other sets that I've seen. It's more of a fade, just a light fade in color more than a fade to like white. I know I've had some sets before that will fade almost all the way to white before they reach the bottom. My air conditioner's cutting in. Hopefully it is not going to distort the audio too much. I mistakenly forgot to turn that off today. So we're going to wrap this thing up. This is the Geekark Lancelot 5-sided die sub PBT set from, well, manufactured by Geekark and sold by Wuque Studios. I believe this is the first and only keycap set that Wuque has done so far, unless they have removed previous keycap sets from their website, which I don't think they have. Hopefully Wuque will produce some more high quality keycap sets, and I wish more manufacturers would use this textured PBT that I love so much. But hey guys, thanks for hanging out. Hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Glad to have you here. Hope to see you in the next video, and hope you have a fantastic rest of your week.